this is, but I'm sure they'll say it.
Oh, it's Bella Carrera.
But this course is way different than like down south, isn't it?
Mhm.
Like it's, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
it's old school.
Yeah.
Oh, you could fit 2 rocking horse rings inside here.
It's funny, the show jumpers more gals than the cross country.
I know, right?
Who biked here?
David.
Hey. It's the only way I can get out to the cross country and back and forth,
Oh, yeah,
you know.
Yeah.
I know, it's a long walk.
I know. That's why I bring Sally.
You haven't seen my sled kit anywhere in your trailer, have you? It's in like a gray step stool.
Isabella.
With Doyle on it.
That's Isabella.
Father put that in
I don't know
your
who
truck.
else. They didn't say the...
I can't find it anywhere, and I thought that it was in the trailer, and then we got here and it wasn't here.